guys, back again checking this walk-in freezer. When I got here, the temperature was about 30 to 28 degrees, around there. And I'm checking the system here, got the gauges going. Have about 8 psi and about 200 on my head pressure. This is the system here. I believe the system is low on charge. I'll go ahead and inspect for leaks. Hopefully I'm lucky and find the place where it's leaking. Stay tuned. Okay guys, after checking for a leak down there at the evaporator coil, couldn't find anything. So come here on the roof. So you can see I removed all the insulation from the suction line to make sure there was no leaks there. I got my leak detector here, badass right here. This thing is pretty good. It's the SRL8. It's a field piece. Good stuff right there. So I come here and I check the receiver, and I find this a small leak here at the receiver. As you can see, it's leaking there. I've seen a few receivers leak from there, but yeah, not necessarily from there. I've seen them leak from the actual body sometimes, like from here. But in this case, I guess it's a first timer for me to find a leak there. I'm gonna go ahead and call my local supply store, see if they have one of these bad boys in stock. Stay tuned, guys. I was able to pick up a receiver at a local supply store. Luckily, you know, or else I would have to wait until Monday or Tuesday of the following week. Luckily, they had one, so I went ahead and installed it. It's my new receiver. I always like to mark them down where I purchased them and with the date. I went ahead and replaced the quarter-inch pipe that was at the inlet of the receiver. I never like to leave the existing pipe in here because they tend to leak from here or at the inlet of the receiver. That's just something that I like to do. Then I went ahead and replace the receiver, like I said. System's up and running. I went ahead and replace the dryer. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Okay, guys. This is my these are my final pressures here on the system. About what, 25 psig on my suction and about 255 psig on my discharge line. So yeah, my side glass is a little bit of bubbles, but you can see it's already filling up already. My final pressures, and you know, this is how the system really looks when it's running. And I have about 19 degrees already inside the box, and I want to call this one good. Okay, stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Here is my final temperature. It's about 13 degrees already inside the box. The unit's been running for approximately 45 minutes. That's how it looks inside.